Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Go 2 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll all the way down to find about device. Then we have to localize the version. Let's go to version and localize version number, which is at the top. Now keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode, and go to system and update. Here let's tap on developer options, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can enable the strict mode, or you can show view updates, change window animation scale, etc. So basically, to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. You will need to restart your device, so just tap on restart, and after that operation, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step, or actually version number step, and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.